Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Senseless, and yes, got the hair done, got that new soft locks. If you guys can see it, I don't know if you can, but yeah, I always wanted these, end up getting these. Do away with the wig a little bit, and I just love them. But anyways, I am about to do Deshaun. About to do a nice little weekend getaway with babe. We are going down to this place called Margaritaville. It is located down at Buford, I think I'm saying that right, Buford, Georgia. It's like on the opposite side of Lake Lanier. I've never been there. People at my job been telling me it's, it's pretty nice. And we are going with our home away from home, meaning in the sense our RV. Yes, we have an RV. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to go and do my feet, which is regular maintenance, but I need to go and get that done and then come back and actually pack, because I've been working like crazy as always. So yes, so this is our but our weekend getaway. We got another trip coming up later off my birthday, but yeah, but anyway, I'm about to go run out here and get my feet done. Just came in. Yeah, so I'm getting ready to go and pack and then leave out tomorrow morning. So I will catch you guys, and I will give you guys a tour of what the RV looked like. Very nice RV. You know, always good to have home away from home. We call it our second home, home away from home. And go from there. And then when we get there, I basically, show you guys, do some video and show you guys, what our little weekend adventure. All right, so I'll catch you guys later. Whoa, baby.
That's what I'm saying. You talking about running 75.
I see. Okay. Don't kill me now, okay? Don't kill me now. Oh shoot, my doggone thing going dead. Anyway, hey guys, we are on the road heading to Atlanta area, and the thing is, this is the first road trip I've been on, and I'm on the passenger side. So I'm about to kick back, maybe talk about, oh, I'm just a sorry ass. You know how pleasurable it is to sit in the passenger side. You like it? Hey guys, we finally made it. It took us, how long to get here?
5 hours.
About 5 hours, and that's due to Atlanta traffic. But anyway, it's dark now. We don't went out, we don't ate. So I want to show you guys what inside looks like. So come on in. Our home away from home. So come on. This is in the inside. So here we go. This is the dining room. Small, not too bad. That's, you know what I'm saying? Perfect for couple home away from home. Over here is what is it called? Storage, and more storage. Yes, and all these lights, they come on. Y'all get this. Just finished eating, and I am very much full. Yeah, this is a sofa sleeper, and here go. You can pull this out and this sleep. You know what I'm saying? 2 of the kids, so it's definitely comfortable for about 4 people. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Over here, TV, fireplace. Okay, so yes, it comes with a fireplace. Over here is the pantry. We don't have nothing in it, just a bunch of junk. See? Junk. Home away from home, you gotta have your stove, and of course your little oven right there, and of course more storage. You don't need to see what's going on over there. And our fridge. We don't really have nothing much inside of it, but yeah. And also,
wow.
We don't have nothing in up there. No. Microwave, storage, and of course, drinks. You gotta have drinks.
Booyah!
And of course, more storage. Under there has the lights. So yeah, so you got the disco lights under there. Granted, not really granted, but granite countertops. And our sink. Yeah. Didn't think we had one. See? It's all hidden. And all right here, all storage. Storage. Yeah, all storage. So yeah, this is definitely our home away from home. Come on, let's go back this way. This is the bathroom. Deshaun is called. This is the bathroom. Our sink. The toilet. I mean, you see, you only can get one person in here, so definitely and stand-up shower. And of course, all of this is storage, so you can't go wrong. Now we're gonna go with a magic hat. So this is the bedroom. Where all the magic happens.
Like a river.
You're stupid. And of course, we got a TV here, another TV, and of course, window and storage. Well, this is my side. More storage. Storage. And I'm gonna go this way. I'm small, so I can fit right here. Yeah, and this high bed, more storage. They have mirrors and more storage. I don't think you guys can see anything. You can exit out back this way. So you can exit out right back this way. So yeah, this is our home away from home. And being that we got here a little late, I'm going to show you guys tomorrow morning what it looks like from the outside. So I'll see you guys in the morning. the next day. No, it is not the next day. Today is Monday, and I am back home. Oh gosh, we had a great time. Only thing that kind of sucked about the weekend was it rained. It rained. We got there Friday, set up, and went and toured the island, went and got something to eat, of course. And then Friday, well, first of all, where we was no, the next day, which was Saturday, we got up early and went to go rent in the golf cart, and that's where they let us know that they had a storm coming through from off the Gulf. So it was like, oh brother, yeah. So all the video footage that you saw, it was kind of getting ready to rain, and then I stopped videoing when it started to rain. Yeah, even though it was riding the golf cart and stuff like that, later on it was raining. And the island is very, very big. Even the next day, which is Sunday, which was yesterday, I mean, from the moment it started downpouring, it ain't stopped. We went out to dinner that night and it was raining. It was non-stop rain. We even came home and it's raining. Outside now, it's cloudy. So yeah, I wanted to do more, but we couldn't. But we pretty much toured the island, Lanier, Margaritaville, Lanier Island. It's a big island. That's why we rented a golf cart so that we can tour the island. And it's a lot. It is very, very big. It's a nice place. It have campgrounds, the water slides. It has so much. I mean, it's definitely worth the you know, weekend or the week with the family. You can even rent a hotel, but the kind of the hotels that they have is that like cabins. So I would say it's not a hotel, it's cabins and it's villas. So yeah, very, very nice, very, very nice. I'm trying to think, and it's in Buford, Georgia, so it's on the opposite side of Atlanta. We took, what is that, from where we came from. We got into Atlanta area and pretty much went around on 985, and then we jumped on 347. So anyone that's familiar with that area, it's on, you know, on that side of Atlanta. But very nice. But anyways, I am about to make me some detox tea because yeah, eating all weekend, yeah, serious detox. So I'm about to go do that now. Of course, it's about to rain. I have nothing to do today. I just gotta take the little one to get his haircut. See his big brother, because his brother on his dad's side is here from the military. So he comes. I gotta take him to go get his haircut and take him to see his brother. And that's pretty much my day. I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna do some dusting and things like that. And yeah, pretty much my day. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys on the next one.